Delivery package from Mia Vasquez, aka Super Mexican Mia.
Yes, thank you.
Hey guys, it's Super Mexican Mia. So today we're going to be unboxing a $500 worth of Ripndip merch. Woo! Yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna open up this baby. Ah! Ow. Ow. Unboxing hurts. Right. Oh, are you ready? Are you guys ready? You guys are gonna be the first one to see. Good lighting?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you guys see? Did you guys see everything?
Yeah, okay.
You guys saw everything? Alright, now let me see. Guys, we finna. Okay, that might be loud for the mic. Sorry, guys. Don't use microphone when watching this. I mean, don't use...
Damn, those fucking tapes are cute.
They are big. Alright, so we'll start with the tape, I guess. Alright, so I got the Ripndip Nerm line camo. Because, you know, we need some tape in
We need some
grip tape. Okay, I got this one and I got this one. I was thinking of getting the purple one, but I'll get that later. Okay, so these came out, I think they were $12 each, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Woo! I'm good. Free Ripndip stickers, you already know. Oh, look at these, how nice these. Huh? I got this hooked on Ripndip thing because it's freaking nice. Hooked on Rip. I don't have a car. I'm just gonna hang it, you know, because it looks nice. I think this comes 36, I think. Like 30. Yeah! Ah, I'm good with Ripndip merch, guys. Woo! So nice. I can't wait to try this on. Woo! I got the
Nerm light switch cover.
Woo! Really good packaging, honestly.
Show us the back, show us the back.
Really good packaging. Sorry. Where are the screws? Oh, they're inside. It comes with screws, don't worry. Okay, and then, woo! Are you guys ready for this? Look at this! Look at the tag! Look how thick the tag is! What the fuck? Why does it look really big? It's in small. Okay, it looks huge. This looks big. I mean, I'm kind of scared. Oh no, I think it fits. And then I got another Ripndip. This looks really big. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but then when I do it like here, my hombros, my shoulders. Wait, why are you all the way over there?
Oh, sorry.
Last but not least, woo! I got the Ripndip Repeat Cotton Twill Jacket Gold Small. Look at, oh wow. This looks nice. Fuck. It's nice. Nice. Alright, so, what should we start with first, guys? Yeah! What should we open first? Oh, I want to open the socks first. Because, you know, they're cute. Oh, look at that. How nice. Very nice. It just says Ripndip with like a nice, like really cool font logo. Don't get my feet. Are my feet in there?
No.
Okay. It's like so you guys can see up close. Like how cool that is. Very nice. I can't wait to put this in my room. Oh, this is so nice, guys. I'm so excited to put you in my room. This big ass sticker is literally blocking all the other stickers, so I can't show you guys, and I don't want to open it yet. Okay. This is like a lot of excess plastic. They usually have it just like I don't know what happened, but you know, I still love you, Ripndip. Okay. And then these, I'm not gonna open them yet because it's special. Look at the inside. Okay. That's nice. I'm so excited for this, guys. Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's open this. Okay, let's look at this. The stickers. Ooh, look at the sticker, guys. Look how nice that is. Excuse me. I've been on the road with you, Finn. And then, okay, so you see the logo here. There's the Ripndip tail. You got the logo? Nice close.
Oh, so yeah.
Right, okay. And then the sleeve. This is the sleeve. It says Ripndip. Very nice. Ripndip, and then the whole tail on the sleeve comes running. Very nice. I love this. When I saw it on the model, like online, I was like, oh, I have to get this. This color is like it's such a fashion statement, you know? You're just like, wow, look at me. Like, oh, yes, queen. Woo! Excited. Alright, I'm excited. What should we open first? The white or orange? You decide.
Orange.
Okay. Look at this tag. Oh my god. Look at the. Oh, look. Okay. Look at the. Look at the tag.
Leave it like that.
Okay.
Oh, that looks nice.
Right. Oh my god. The rubber detailing is so nice. Wow. Okay. Ooh, a little the back. Okay. This is cute. Really nice, cute orange sweater. You already know what I'm saying. Oh my god, this is so cute. Got a little iron it a little bit, but you know it's okay. Ripping it. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. Okay, next. The white one. Saves the best for last. Yeah. Woo! Okay, you already know. Okay, so this is another Ripndip hoodie. You already know. I'm so excited, guys. Like, fuck. Okay, I love these. Like, these are so cute. Like, imagine when I'm sponsored, they're gonna write me a note like, "Thanks for shopping with us, me." I'm like, yay. Okay, look at the. Oh, I love this stitch pattern on here. Yes, queen. I've always needed. I wanted this hoodie for so long. Ever since it. Yeah. Wait, what did I say? Stitch. Yeah. Okay. Like ever since I saw it, I was like, I want this sweater. Look at this. So nice. Oh my god, that's so cool. Look, it says Ripndip on here. You see how it says Ripndip? That's so cool. And I think it also has it on. Oh, it has it on here too. Look at that ish. Look at that ish. Look at that ish. That's so cool. Wait, did the other sweater have that too? Yeah, it did. I didn't notice it. Alright, this is so cute. I'm so excited. Last but not least, guys, this is it. This is the end of the haul, and I'm like very like emotional. Woo! Leah! Oh, look, this here. Oh my goodness, bitch! Double. It's literally double, like, cause they know it's lit. It's triple. They know it's lit. They know it's lit. They know it's lit. Bitch! Look at this shit. Must be nice. You already know it must be nice having this hoodie because it is. Right. Look at the buttons. Look at the buttons. Look at the buttons. Can you see? Ripndip. Must be nice. Fuck. Fuck it up, bitch. This is nice. Very nice. Wow. Look at this. Look. Do you guys see this? This is amazing. Wow. This is. I think this is the best thing I've ever owned of Ripndip. Hands down.
You're looking like Georgie Evans.
I'm kidding. This is really nice. Low key, I could be Georgie for Halloween, like she said.
Again.
Oh my god, this is really nice, guys. I've never owned something this fancy before. Look, oh, you're going all the way up. Perfect, cameraman. Perfect, cameraman. Oh my god, this is so nice. Like, if you guys look, that's cool. You know, like you could tighten this up. That's not like a windbreaker. Oh, I'm excited. This is very nice. All right, guys. Thanks. Oh yeah, look at my mess. Cameraman, look at all my mess. I literally just showed everything here because, you know, I'm Ripndip merch. Okay, so, oh, I didn't even tell you how much the rest of it cost. Okay, so everything came out to $368 with 11 cents, but that's not it because you know what? Honey hooked it up. This video is not sponsored by Honey. I wish it was, but Honey hooked it up. It literally saved me like $70, so it was gonna be like 500 with shipping and everything. Thanks, Honey. Shout out, and if you can, if you want to sponsor me. Also, I'm going to announce that this is exciting, guys, for me and for you. I will be doing a $50 Ripndip gift card giveaway at 500 subscribers. So all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to me and have post notifications on. Follow me on Instagram at supermexicanmia. Comment under this video and my latest Instagram post with hashtag Ripndip giveaway 50. For an extra entry, tag a friend in the comments. You can enter as many times as you want to have a greater chance of winning. So all we have to get is 80 more subscribers to do this giveaway, guys. It's gonna be lit. Let's get it. For an extra for an extra entry, tag a friend in the comments. Wait, what? Okay, ready. For an extra and for an extra. Right.